Serial dilution. Gather a pencil and sheet of paper. Record the volume of diluent and sample volumes of dilution 1. Add the two volumes to determine the total volume of dilution 1. Determine the ratio of the first series dilution by dividing the sample volume by the total volume and expressing in ratio form. Record this amount in data table 1 as the first series dilution for dilution 1. The second series dilution is the ratio of the volume plated to the total sample, which equals 1 to 10. Record this amount as the second series dilution for dilution 1 in data table 1. Determine the ratio of the total dilution by multiplying the first series dilution by the second series dilution and expressing in ratio form. Record this amount as the total dilution of dilution 1 in data table 1. Complete data table 1 for dilution 2 by multiplying the first series dilution by 1 to 20. Record this amount as the first series dilution of dilution 2. The second series dilution of dilution 2 will be the identical ratio, 1 to 10, as from dilution 1, since the volume plated remains 0.1 milliliters. Lastly, calculate the total dilution of dilution 2 by multiplying the first and second series dilutions. Complete the remainder of data table 1 following this example.